Did you know that sleep is one of the most powerful tools for your brain? Yet, so many of us treat it like an option instead of a necessity. In this video, we are diving into the science of sleep, how it affects your brain, memory, emotions, and even decision making. And most importantly, how you can improve it. Let's get started. Getting less than 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night isn't sustainable for most people. In fact, consistently sleeping too little can have serious consequences on brain function over time. Lack of sleep has been linked to increased risks of obesity, diabetes, and cognitive decline. One major reason is the glymphatic system, which acts as the brain's natural cleansing mechanism. This system flushes out toxins that accumulate throughout the day, but it needs about 7 to 8 hours of sleep to work properly. Without enough rest, harmful waste builds up in the brain, contributing to stress, mental fog, and even long term neurological issues. Even missing sleep for one night can have an immediate impact on your brain. Lack of sleep can lower IQ levels. Sleep deprivations makes you more reactive and impulsive, meaning emotions can feel overwhelming. Instead of using logical reasoning, the brain tends to rely more on primitive emotional responses. The long term effects are even more serious, including increased risks of memory disorders, weakened immunity, and chronic stress. Did you know your sleeping position can impact on how effectively your brain detoxes? Studies show that sleeping on your side, left or right, is the best position for clearing waste from the brain. Sleeping on your back or stomach may not be as efficient for the brain's cleansing process. So, if you're looking for better brain health, try adjusting your sleep position. If you struggle with sleep, here are some science backed strategies to improve sleep quality. Stick to a sleep routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and try to go to bed the same time daily. Limit screen time before bed. It makes it harder to fall asleep. Try avoiding screens at least an hour before bed. Try meditation before sleep. Studies show that meditation helps people fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and even reduce the need for sleep medication. A relaxed mind is the key to better rest. Use visualization techniques. Imagine a peaceful place or a relaxing scenario before bed. This helps reduce stress and improve sleep onset. Sleep isn't just about resting, it's about resetting your brain, improving focus, and protecting long term health. If you struggle with sleep, it's high time you take charge and improve it, because small changes can make a really big difference. Start tonight, commit to better sleep habits, and see the transformation in your energy, mood, and brain power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.